258 San Francisco Tower, runway 28 right, clear to land. Clear right, clear to land, 250.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of United, our Airlines partners, Captain Mosley, and the entire crew, I would like to welcome you aboard United Airlines Flight 931 with service to San Francisco's International Airport. My name is Lawrence Ambrose, and I'll be serving as your purser today. It is a pleasure to have you flying with us. Captain informs me that we have a flight time of 10 hours and 2 minutes. In just a few moments, we'll ask you to direct your attention to our important safety presentation. Thank you. Welcome aboard.
Giving our customers more opportunities to stay connected, productive, and entertained is part of the flyer-friendly experience.
United is continuing to innovate the in-flight experience. We're launching satellite-based Wi-Fi for people to stay connected from the minute they take off, be productive, and be entertained.
It's been rumored that I am a techno geek. I love technology. So we're outfitting our entire mainline fleet with satellite-based connectivity. Making a plane Wi-Fi friendly and installing internet is not an easy task. A lot of engineering rigor goes into place. It's a state-of-the-art technology, so this will keep you connected globally over water everywhere we fly.
United is launching personal device entertainment, which our customers are going to love.
We have a server on board the aircraft that stores movies, full seasons of TV shows, so you can binge watch. It's a premium viewing experience. This is your own device. It's a screen that you're refreshing every 18 to 24 months.
Giving our customers more choices to stay connected is all part of the flyer-friendly experience.
Hello.
Hello. Konnichiwa.
Ciao. Mabuhay.
We're excited to have you aboard. And we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs.
Newark?
Which airline?
United.
You got it.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal landing into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap. In United Global First, fasten your seatbelt, then secure the shoulder strap by placing the metal fitting over the lock and pulling on the strap until it clicks. The shoulder strap must be secured for taxi, takeoff, and landing. To release, push down on the metal fitting and lift. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with this aircraft. This Boeing 777 has 8 exit doors, 4 each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you're seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you're unable or uncomfortable, please ask the flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety cards near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. If a strap appears, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking is never allowed on the aircraft. U.S. law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Federal regulations also require passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
For a taxi, takeoff and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device. Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please be considerate of other passengers by carrying on only one small bag and one personal item. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, safety is global.
From all of us around the world,
Thanks.
thanks.
Thanks, and enjoy your flight.
Thank you again for flying with us, ladies and gentlemen. I will be back with more details about today's flight after takeoff. Flight attendants, please be seated for departure. Purser, please reset passenger address system. Please reset the PA system, please.